everyone! Today is a very exciting day. We are going to be learning the different types of farm animals and all the lovely sounds they make. Let's get started! It is a beautiful sunny evening and we have Peppa and Max having a lot of fun with their barnyard friends. They played catch, hide and seek, and just had a jolly good time. But now, hey Max, it's time to go home. Do you know how to get home? Oink oink. I think in all this fun and laughter we are straight far away from home. I think we might be lost. Woof woof. What do we do now? What do we do now? Oink oink. How about we help Peppa and Max and all her barnyard friends get home safely? Let's go! Can you guess what animal this is? Well, let me give you a clue. This animal gives us milk to drink. Yes! This is a cow. Now let's find out where is the home of the cow. Maybe it's here. Doesn't look like it. How about this one? Doesn't look like it. Maybe it's this one. Wow! Did you see how excited the cow was to be at home? And the sound it made is moo. Cows make the sound moo. Here is our next barnyard friend. Any guesses? The clue this time is that this animal gives us wool that keeps us warm in the winters. Yes, this is a sheep. Now, let's find the home of the sheep. Here we go. Did you hear the sound that the sheep made? Ba, ba. So exciting. Here is Max again. Now let's guess what animal this is. The clue this time is that Max is human's best friend. I think you got it. It's a dog. Now, let's get Max to his home safely. Is it over here? The pictures don't match. Maybe here? No, it doesn't fit. Maybe here. Wow, Max is so excited when he got home. Dogs make the sound woof woof. Hey, check out this barnyard friend of ours. It has a strong muscular body, a long neck, a beautiful mane. Have you guessed it? This animal is a horse. Now, let's get the horse to its home before sunset. Did you hear the sound that the horse made? Horses make the sound neigh, neigh. This barnyard friend of ours is a bird. Any guesses as to what bird this is? Well, they have colorful feathers and they make a unique call that wakes you up in the morning. You guessed it. This is a rooster. Now let's see where the rooster goes. Let's try this one. Did you hear that unique sound? The sound is cock-a-doodle-doo. Roosters make the sound cock-a-doodle-doo. Any guesses on what animal this is? Well, this animal has a very flexible body, can jump really high, and is either sleeping or grooming most of the time. Yes, this is a cat. Now let's find the home of the cat. The cat is so excited, and cats make the sound meow, meow. Any guesses what bird this is? That's right. This is a goose. Now, let's get this goose home. Goose make the sound honk, honk, honk. And finally Peppa is here. She is very happy and thankful to all of you for helping her barnyard friends get home safely. Now it's her turn to get home and grab some yummy dinner and get some rest so that she can wake up bright and early and play with her friends again. But before she goes home, any guesses as to what animal Peppa is? Well, Peppa is a pig. And there she goes home. She is so excited, and pigs make the sound oink, 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 oink. If you enjoyed watching this video today and had a lot of fun with the Barnyard Friends, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon. Bye-bye.